Hello guys, how to fix something went wrong while displaying this web page error in Google Chrome. And to fix these issues, simply go to open Google Chrome and click on three dot from top right corner. Click on it and choose settings. There from the left pane choose privacy and security, and thereafter scroll down and you will find the option clear browsing data. Click on it. Here make the check against all four options: browsing data, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and clear data. This is the first option. The second method is open again Google Chrome, click on three dot and choose settings. From the left side choose the option reset and cleanup. Restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it and click on reset settings. This will definitely resolve your issues. That's all.